Hey guys, welcome back to another Hawkins Corner. So today on Hawkins Corner, we're going to be talking about dental hygiene and whitening those teeth. So stay tuned. Alright guys, let's get right into it. So this is a paid promotion, but it's not a paid review. So this is my first time actually opening this package and unboxing it, and I'm going to give you my honest opinion. So before we get started, just a quick introduction. Dental hygiene, number one, you should always follow dental hygiene routines, brushing your teeth, flossing, using mouthwash if you choose, and that is the way that your teeth will maintain their enamel and a natural whiteness. Now, I will say that sometimes you'll notice that your teeth may be a bit duller, the color of your teeth, than usual based on what you are consuming, eating, and drinking. For example, if you're a coffee drinker, if you're someone like me that drinks a smoothie every day and it's berries that stains, such as strawberries, blackberries, raspberries, you'll notice that your teeth may not be as bright and illuminated as you would like for them to be. That is where teeth whitening comes into play, and this UrSmile teeth whitening kit. Alright, so the first thing is the shipping. So this did come through AliExpress, and I'll put the link at the bottom. So if you want any information about this product, make sure you visit the link. With AliExpress, unfortunately, all of their items are not like Amazon Prime. So this did take a couple of days to come in. It did take much longer than I expected, but let's get right into it. So it comes in a padded envelope, and I already took it out, and then it comes in this really sleek box. Most teeth whiteners are traditionally the same. They come with a mouthpiece. If they're wireless, they come with a charger. If they're not wireless, they come with the wires, and they also come with a set of instructions. So let's start off with this, and it comes with a set of instructions. And when I looked at the instructions, the main thing I liked about the instructions is that I am a visual person, so not only does it come with the written instructions, but it also comes with pictures of them, if you can see right here, which helps out a lot when you're trying to figure something out. And then the next thing it comes with is this shade, the tooth color chart is what they call it. This is one of the coolest things that I've seen with teeth whitening kits. Most teeth whitening kits do not come with this, and I've never had a teeth whitening kit that's come with this, and I've tried several teeth whiteners. So the good thing about this is going to be used to track how well and effective your teeth whitening kit is. So if you can see here, you'll notice that it's darker on the left-hand side, which may be your right, and then when you get to this area, it gets lighter. So you basically can track it, and it's super easy to use because I used it on my teeth. Thankfully, I'm not down here, as you can see, and this is the first thing you want to do, but you just keep sliding it until you get, and let me get it a little closer. You basically keep sliding it until you get to the shade that you feel is most similar to your tooth chain, and then from there you're going to track the progress and see how light it's going to get. Now, I will say this about teeth whitening: you never want your teeth to be whiter than your eyeballs, because that's not the natural white enamel of your teeth. So dentists do recommend that that is the brightest you want to go. When you go brighter than that, it pretty much looks like fake veneer teeth, or it doesn't look natural. So this comes in really handy. All right, the next thing it comes with in this nice little packaging, if you can see it, is the mouthpiece, and this one is wireless, so it does come with a charger. The charger is your normal USB charger, and you simply plug this in just like you would a phone, and it's pretty long. I mean, it's the standard length. You plug this in and you charge it, and then that way when you get ready for your next use, it'll be ready. That is one of the perks of this one, because the other one that I have, or the other two I have, one needs to be plugged in, and I think the other one is wireless, but the one that's wireless, you literally have to like get somewhere or use an extension cord because the cord is so short. So that is a perk. I love the wireless. If you've never used a teeth whitening kit before, it's kind of like similar to a mouthpiece, and it has the same rubber type texture. And then there's a power button here, as you can see, and those LED lights that you see there will permeate the gel that I'm about to show you, and that is what is going to lighten up your teeth. So this is very light to the touch. It's very easy. I have not charged this yet. So hopefully it'll hold the charge for the amount of time that it states that I need to have it on. All right, and the last thing, which is the most important thing this comes with, is the gel pens. And as you can see here, you get 3 gel pens, and on each one of the gel pens it has the logo. It may not focus, but come on, camera, come on, it's not gonna focus, sorry guys. But it also has like these little measurements, 1, 2, and 3. So I'm assuming that those measurements are to help you kind of gauge how much you need depending upon what you're trying to do. Now these are super easy to use. They're just like the other traditional ones. As you can see here, it comes with like a really soft little brush. It reminds me of like a paintbrush. And then, if you can hear that, you just keep twisting until you see the gel solution come to the top of the pen. Now it does take some time. I think it's because of all the air, and it's kind of like toothpaste, or not toothpaste, lotion. When you get lotion for the first time, you'll notice that you have to pump it a lot, but thereafter it is pretty much good to go. So the solution is like this clear solution. Not sure if you can see it. It is clear. And pretty much you basically use this brush to wipe the solution or paint the solution over your teeth. Most people recommend that you paint it over the ones that show, which are the ones in the front. You can just smile, and when you smile, I don't know why I'm trying to talk and smile, those teeth that are exposed when you're smiling are the ones that you want to do, or you can do all of them, but when I smile, as you can see from the bottom, you're not going to see the teeth at the bottom. So most people want to do all of them. So let's get right into it. I'm actually going to try this product out. So my teeth shade, when I did it, was about a 3 or a 4. I will say that you're not going to get instantaneous results with this, but it is gradual. And the first thing you're supposed to do is put the teeth whitening on, put the mechanism in your mouth, let it sit on for 15 minutes, bam, you're done. I'm sorry, the first thing you should do is rinse out your mouth. So anything that could hinder it, you want to get out, then you can follow the process. So I'll be back in 15 minutes and let you know my final review. Alright guys, it's been some time. So my final review of this is, traditionally it's like all other teeth whitening kits. I will say that the gel, I've never had a teeth whitening gel where the gel actually tastes good, or has a, I shouldn't say good because you're not ingesting it, you're not supposed to be, but you still can taste it. I've never had one that is a pleasant taste. So that pretty much was my only qualm with it. These are my teeth. My teeth are pretty white because I just finished doing a, what do you call it, Smiles Direct. So I straighten my teeth, and when you're using something like invisible aligners, you have to brush and floss your teeth like every time you eat, which helps me out a lot with staining. And then I, of course, follow dental hygiene. So did I notice anything right off the bat? No, but I'm sure that if I keep using it, I will definitely notice a gradual change. I've never seen a teeth whitening kit where I do not notice that. The good thing about this is that it is an affordable way to whiten your teeth without having to go in to your dentist to pay that money to whiten them. And then it's convenient because you can use it whenever you want. This is not something that you should use like every day, but if you notice that your teeth are stained because of something you've been eating or drinking, you can definitely just go pop it in for 15 minutes. Another perk is that it does not take long at all. It only takes 15 minutes to do, and then bam, you can go on your way. The last thing is that it's portable, so you don't have to be hooked up to any wires. All you have to make sure of is that you charge your unit before you go out of town, wherever you want to go, and it's right there for you. So check out the information in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you have not subscribed to my channel, you definitely want to click on that subscribe button. There will be a giveaway in the coming days, and you definitely don't want to miss that. If you are subscribed or you're not, make sure you like and share this video with other people, and I'll see you guys next time on Hawkins Corner.